Hello guys, my name is Syed Sattar Haji. We also are launching the Career Accelerator Program of the 150 days where I am going to be handling guys the Java tutorials for you people the each session. So guys, let us to discuss the first day of the class, that is Java is the high level object orientation or oriented a programming language. Now what do you mean by this high level a programming language? Guys, as you people are saying, high level a programming language is the human understandable language that consists of a symbol and English like a statement. What do you mean by this high level language is the human understandable language? For example, guys, let us to consider the program which I had written. These are the set of the instruction for add to number. It means, guys, I had written the program set of this instruction for add to number, which is in the high level language. Now, guys, what if in the case all this set of the instruction for add to number, if the microprocessor want to take that set of the instruction, read and execute, and finally get the desired result as the output, guys, before the microprocessor take this set of the instruction and execute and get the desired result as the output, guys, why do you think so? These set of the instruction for add to number which is in the high level language. Now guys, the microprocessor understand the binary language, that is 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0, which is also called as the machine level language. Now guys, what I want to say for you people, really guys, all this set of the instruction by the microprocessor, if you want to execute, guys, why do you think so? The language with the microprocessor understand is a machine level language. But guys, whatever the program right now, guys, add to number which is in the high level language. It means, guys, these set of this instruction, guys, these set of the instruction, they are in the simple language. It means, guys, as the human being we can understand. But guys, whatever the set of the instruction you had written over here, microprocessor doesn't understand. So guys, to make the microprocessor to understand and execute successfully and get the desired result as the output, guys, as you people are seeing over here, in between the high level language and the machine level language, you people are seeing, guys, one person called the compiler. What is this compiler, guys? Compiler is the software. What will do, guys? Compiler is the software which will convert. What will convert, guys? High level language. Nothing but right now all this set of the instruction, that is add to number, which is in the high level language, compiler convert into the machine level language. I hope so, guys. You people are getting my point, guys. After converting by the compiler, that is the all the set of the instruction, guys, by the compiler in the machine level, this is how finally our all the set of this instruction, it is going to be look like this, guys, which is containing 101010, nothing but, guys, machine level language, or we can say binary language. Now guys, microprocessor can understand and execute the instruction, all this instruction which is converted into machine level language. Microprocessor, guys, can read this instruction as well as microprocessor can execute all this instruction. Now guys, why do you think so? If the microprocessor read and execute the instruction, finally we'll get the desired result as the output. Guys, whenever you people are writing the program by using the Java, which is in the high level language, all the set of the code and the instruction which are in the high level language, it means as I or the you or the human being can understand, because in the definition it says it consists of the symbol and English like a statement. Guys, we can understand because it's contain the English like a statement. Guys, as the human being we can understand, but Same thing if we give to the computer, nothing but to the microprocessor, the person who read and execute the instruction, it will understand that is the binary language. I think guys, you people had got what do you mean by the high level language. And guys, finally, what the microprocessor, it will understand. So guys, from this example, I hope so you people had got it this point. Okay, guys, after knowing the Java is the high level object oriented programming language, now let us to see, guys, object orientation. Now, guys, what do you mean by this orientation? Guys, if you go the dictionary and you people are going to be find the meaning of orientation, has right now guys had written the meaning of orientation. What do you mean by the orientation? The meaning of orientation, the way of looking at something, is also known as their perspective. Now, guys, what do you mean by this? The way of looking at something. Now, guys, let us to understand with the small example. Now, guys, let us to consider this a glass of a water. I hope, guys, you people are able to see. This is the a glass. Inside the glass, there is the some water. Now, guys, what if in the case if the person called the chemist, the person who live in the lab. Now, guys, what if in the case if the person called the chemist, if he come, finally, guys, the way he look at this glass of a water, the perspective of looking this a glass of the water, the chemist person will be say half liquid, half gas. Now, guys, let us to consider what if in the case if the another person comes called the optimist, the way he look at this glass of the water, the perspective orientation, the way he look at this glass of the water by the optimist, he will be say, guys, half full. Similarly, guys, what if in the case has been the Java developer, guys, has been the Java developer, if the Java developer comes, the way he look at this glass of the water, perspective, the way he look at this glass of the water, guys, by the Java developer, what the Java developer will be say, guys, the Java developer, the way he look at this glass of the water, perspective orientation, the Java developer say it is the object. I hope so, guys. You people are getting the point. Guys, from this entire scenario, you people are seeing the every individual people having their own orientation. What do you mean orientation? The way of looking something. What is something over here? Guys, if you consider this glass of a water, same thing, guys, but considering this glass of the water has right now different individual people, the way they had looked at the same thing, what glass of the water, but guys, the way of answering, the way of saying, comparing to the chemist to the optimist, or guys, the optimist to the Java developer. Guys, this is called the orientation. Nothing but the way you look out and how you are saying. Guys, I hope so, guys, you people had got the meaning of orientation. One thing, guys, I would like to say for you people. Now we had, guys, don't bother about these two people. Nothing but chemist and the optimist. Now, guys, let us to bother about this person called the Java developer. Now, guys, right now I have said you people, Java developer, the way he look out this glass of the water, the Java developer orientation, the perspective, guys, the way he look at this thing, nothing but this glass of the water, the Java developer is saying it is the object. Now, guys, we are bothering about the Java developer, that the way he look at the things, guys, always and always remember being the Java developer. World is the collection of an object. It means, guys, the orientation, you people, the way you look at the thing, being the Java developer, guys, you should always say, guys, object. Okay, now, guys, let us to understand. Okay, guys, now let us to know the what are the rules of the object orientation. The first rule, world is the collection of an object. Yeah, guys, world is the collection of an object. What does the second rule say? Every object in this world belonging to their type or the category. For example, guys, you people are the student over here. Right now, you people are in the school or the college. You people are considering the student. Now, guys, after completion of your school or the college, if you go back to your home, and you people will be a considered son or the daughter to your parent, there you are belonging to the type and the category. Guys, similarly, try to understand every object in this world belonging to the type or the category. What is the third rule, guys? Every object has the two part. What are those? One is the properties, another one is the behavior. Now, guys, let us to see all these three rules with a small example. Okay, now, yeah. Now, guys, for example, let us to consider you people had gone to the showroom. Okay, na? And you people had seen the different and varieties of the car. Now, guys, the finally you people had entered into the showroom and you people had seen the different types of the car. Guys, why do you think so? Each and every car has some properties. Why do you think so, guys? Each and every car, the way you look at the car, being the Java developer, guys, remember, you should say, right now, the feedback I have told you people, you should say it is belonging to the object. Remember this point. Now, guys, the finally people had entered to the showroom and people had seen the different and varieties of the car. Guys, why do you think so? Each and every car has a properties. Guys, why do you think so? Each and every car has the behavior. Now, guys, as you people are seeing in this entire scenario, here is the one Mercedes Benz car. Here is the one sports car. Finally, guys, here is the electric car. Okay, guys, from this example, what I would like to say for you people, can I please try to understand? Java is the collection of an object and classes. Now, guys, right now, you people had seen the third rule of the object orientation. What is the third rule? Every object has their two part. I hope, guys, you people are able to remember. Guys, the first part is state or the properties. What is the second part? Behavior. Guys, what is state and the property? What do you mean by this behavior, guys? What an object has, what an object does. Didn't understand. Okay, let me make you people clear, guys, by taking the one example. Now, for example, guys, let us to consider the car object. Okay, I can understand car. What do you mean by this object, guys? Right now, I've said you people one point to be remember. Being the Java developer, guys, the way you look out the thing. What is the thing here? Car is the thing, guys. The way you look at the thing, being the Java developer, your orientation should be, it should be, guys, it is an object. I hope so, guys. It is a hitting to your brain. Now, guys, let me make you people very clear. Considering the car object, what do you mean by, guys? Here is the car. You only take Mercedes Benz car, sports car, okay, na? Any car. For example, let us consider the car. Guys, if you clearly look at this entire diagram, car has a properties or the state. Similarly, guys, car does the behavior. For example, guys, for example, Mercedes Benz car. The way you look at the car, being the Java developer, you say car object. Now, guys, you only tell me, what are the car properties it may have? Guys, why do you think so? I hope so, guys. It may correct. You people are thinking like this. Car has a properties. What? Car has a name. One property. Car has a cost. Another property. Car has a mileage. It is another properties of the car. Guys, I hope people are getting there some ideas. Similarly, guys, these are the properties of the car. Guys, why do you think so? Car does the behavior. What behavior the car does, guys? Guys, car does the behavior. What? Guys, if you would like to say for you people, starting the car, stopping the car, accelerating the car, moving the car. Guys, all these different activities. Guys, why I cannot say these are the behavior of the car? Some of the actions or activities performed by the car. Guys, now after knowing the car has a properties, car does the behavior. Some example I have took. Now guys, car has a properties, car does the behavior. So some of the properties and the behavior had a written. All these properties, whatever you people are saying, guys, it can be handled through specific particular data type. Don't worry, I'm going to become with the example. Similarly, guys, please try to understand behavior. What are the behavior? Starting the car, stopping the car, accelerating the car. Guys, all this behavior I can handling being the Java developer, guys, through the methods. What do you mean by the method? Guys, don't worry, I will come with the example of program. Guys, this entire scenario, okay, now if I want to take and if I want to put inside the Java program, guys, how we can do it? Now, guys, really, if you want to take this scenario and if you want to put inside the Java program, guys, before that, you people have to be know some important main point. As you people are the beginner, guys, to the Java. That's what I would like to say for you people. Guys, I hope so. You people are here in the Java, creating the classes. I think guys, you people are hear this word many times. Now, guys, let me make you people clear, guys. What is the general syntax of creating the class in the Java? How the class in the Java look like, guys? If you would like to show for you people, the general syntax of creating the class in the Java, guys. I hope guys, you people are able to see here, which is a containing class keyword followed by the name of the class. After which, guys, opening closing the flower bracket. Okay, this is the how the general syntax the class in the Java look like, which is containing the class keyword followed by the class name, opening and the closing the flower bracket. Okay, can you tell me what do you mean by this class? What do you mean by the class in the Java? Guys, Java is the collection of the classes and objects. Right now, guys, classes in the Java, it means, guys, it is the guys, class in the Java, it is a collection of their two properties. What are those, guys? One is the instance variable, another one is the instance method. Guys, I hope so, you people are seeing that clearly and you people are observing over here. Class is the collection of the two properties, instance variable, instance method. Guys, these two properties, whatever you people are seeing over here, same two properties, opening, closing the floor bracket within, inside over here, you people are seeing. Guys, once the people who are clearly noticing over here, class in the Java is a keyword which is the collection of their two properties. Nothing but, guys, one is the instance variable, another one is the instance of method. Guys, I hope so, guys, if people had here the what do you mean by the variables in the programming language? Guys, as you people are the beginner or people are starting your career journey with the Java, now guys, let me make you people are clear. Guys, variables means, guys, which are used to store the data within it. What do you mean by that, guys? For example, I'm having the box. In my left hand side, guys, I'm having there some collection of the chunks. What I will do, guys, at the right hand side, I'm having the box, and at the left hand side, I'm having the some chalks. Now, guys, I will open the box. Whatever the chalks I'm having, I will store inside my box. Guys, please try to understand. I hope so, guys, people are getting this a point. Similarly, guys, you people are having the data. What data? For example, guys, let us to take 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, now guys, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, this is my data. Really, guys, if I want to take this each data and if I want to store inside my Java program, how we can do it, guys? We can do it by using the concept called the variable. What is a variable? Which is used to store the data, guys. And I hope, guys, you people had understood the variable concept. Now, class is the collection of the instance variable and the variables are used to store the data. Class is collection of another property, instance method. What do you mean by the instance method? Guys, if you clearly notice the definition of the method in the Java means what? Block of the code written within the body of the method. For what purpose? Guys, in order to perform the particular task. Guys, this is nothing but the instance. Don't worry, guys, let me make you people a very clear what do you mean by the instance method with a small example. Right now, guys, from this, please try to understand, as you people are the beginner for the Java, try to remember the general syntax of creating the class in the Java. Guys, which is the class keyword followed by the name of the class, opening, closing the flower bracket, within, inside, which indicate body of the class. Inside the class, guys, as you people are the programmer, you are specifying, you are writing the instance variable and creating the instance method. Guys, remember the general syntax of creating the class in the Java. Now, what do you mean by the class? Class is a collection of two properties, instance variable and the instance method. Now, guys, what I will do, by looking the general syntax, as you people are seeing right now, by looking the general syntax, I will create the class. What class, guys? Let me show you people. Huh. I hope, guys, you people are able to see here. Okay, now guys, the first line of the code over here, if you clearly notice, guys, I had created the class, guys, by specifying the class keyword followed by the followed by the name of the class. Okay, what is the name of the class? Car is the name of the class. Okay, you had created the class by specifying the name of the class called the car. After which, guys, by following the general syntax, opening and closing the flower bracket, okay, within inside the body. Okay, now what I have done, guys, I had specified the car has a properties. Guys, you people are able to remember the scenario. Car has a properties, that is, car has a name, car has a cost, car has a mileage. Guys, what I have done over here inside my Java program, after creating the class by specifying the class name, within inside the class, guys, coming inside the class, I had specified these properties of the car. How, guys? Through specifying the particular data type. Car has a name, one property. Car has a cost, another property. Car has a mileage. This is the another property. Guys, all these properties, whatever people saying over here, I had handled using the data type. Guys, I had said string name into cost, float mileage. Guys, this is how I am handling the properties of my car inside my Java program through specifying the particular data type. I hope so, guys, you people are getting this point. Now, guys, coming to the next line, guys, you people are able to remember car has the properties. Okay, name, cost, mileage. Now, guys, the car has the some behavior. What are the behavior? Guys, car has the behavior called the start the car, accelerate the car, stop the car. These are the different behavior of the car. Now, guys, in order to put inside my Java program, what I have done over here, guys, I had iterated the one person called start. Similarly, guys, I had iterated the one person called accelerate. Similarly, guys, I had iterated the one person called the stop. I hope so, guys. If people are by seeing this person name start, accelerate, stop, people are something people are getting. So let me make you people clear, guys. His start opening, closing the floor bracket within inside system dot out dot print. A print statement in Java within the double quote car is started. Some message I'm passing. So guys, I'm saying hey start, you start the car. How? By passing some message. A print statement in Java, you print this message. Similarly, guys, please try to understand. Opening, closing this flower bracket within, inside the body. Hey, accelerate inside the body, car is a moving. Some message had been passed. A print statement in Java, you print car is moving. I hope so, guys. How I am starting the car, nothing but by writing the lines of the code in the Java, how I am moving the car, finally, guys, how I am stopped the car. Guys, what I have done over here to handle the behaviors of the car, guys, through the creating the instance method. Guys, you people are able to remember the definition of the method. What is the method definition say? Guys, if I would like to take you people there, here. Guys, please clearly notify the definition of the method. If you clearly understand what do you mean by the method. Okay, now guys, the definition of the method say block of the code written within the body of the method. Let me make you clear, understand guys with the example, same example, okay now guys, the behaviors of the car guys, start the car, move the car, stop the car, these are the behaviors of the car. Now guys, what I've done over here, according to my definition of the method, what is the definition of the method? Block of the code written within the body of the method, guys, block of the code written within the body of the method. Now guys, let me make you people clear. What do you mean by this body? Opening, closing this flower bracket. This indicate guys, it is the body. If I come inside, within, guys, this indicate body. What the definition say? A block of the code written within the body. Guys, I hope so guys you people had got. What do you mean by the body? Body means opening, closing the flower bracket. If I come inside, within, guys, according to the definition of the method, block of the code written within the body. Guys, this is the body. What is the code I have written? The single statement I had written. What is single statement I had written? System dot out dot print. A print statement in Java, you print this whatever the message had been passed. Guys, please try to understand, this is nothing but creating the method. What do you mean by the method? Guys, remember, specifying the name of the method, opening, closing the floor bracket, within, inside, if you written this some code instruction, guys, this is nothing but creating the method. So guys, we are discussing the instance variable. Guys, instance variable is the one properties of the class. What do you mean by this instance variable? Guys, as you people are seeing the definition of the method which I had written over here, a block of the code written within the body of the method. For what purpose? Guys, have said right now, you people, to perform the particular task. What do you mean by this actual mean? For example, guys, I had created the class by specifying the name of the class called the a car. Now, guys, the car has the behavior. What is the behavior? Start, accelerate, stop. Now, guys, according to the definition of the instance method, what is the definition of the instance method is saying? A block of the code written within the inside the body of the method. Now guys, let me make you people clear what is this body, guys. Opening, closing, Similarly, guys, opening, closing, opening and closing this flower bracket, guys, this indicate it is their body. Now guys, what I will do, I will come inside the body, then I had said guys, system dot out dot print a print statement in Java. Within the double quote guys, I had passed their message, car is a started. Similarly guys, opening closing this flower bracket body, if I come within inside system dot out dot print a print statement in Java, within the double quote guys, I had passed the message called car is on. Similarly guys, please try to understand, opening closing this flower bracket which indicate the body, within inside the body guys, you had written the one statement, that is print statement. A print statement, you print whatever the message that pass within the double quotes. Guys, now let us to understand. Now guys, what if in the case, if I want to start the car is started, I want to display car is started, car is a stop, car is a moving. Guys, all this different scenario guys, I had handled by iterating one person called start, by iterating one person called stop, by iterating one person called accelerate. Now guys, please try to understand what do you mean by this instance of method. Guys, writing the block of the code within the body. Can you tell me which is the body? Opening, closing the floor bracket. If I come within inside over here, right, I had written one statement. What statement I had written? System dot out dot print a print statement. You print within the double quote the message I had passed. Car is started. Guys, why do you think so? I had created the method according to the definition. What does the definition say? Writing the block of the code where inside within the body, opening, closing this floor bracket body. If I come inside, guys, if I say system dot out dot print, one code I had written where inside the body, guys. Similarly, opening, closing the floor bracket. If I come here inside the body, writing the block of the code, what is the code I had written? System dot out dot print. Guys, I had written one code within inside the body. Now, guys, opening, closing this flower bracket, body. If I come inside, I had written the one block of the code. What code? System dot out dot print. A print statement in Java. You print within the double quote the message I had passed. Car is a stop. Guys, after writing the block of the code inside the body, inside the body, inside the body, for what purpose? Guys, to perform the particular task. Now, can you tell me, guys, what is the particular task I'm performing inside the people who are clearly noticing over here? Inside the body, within the body, I had written the block of the code. What is the code I had written? One statement I had written, system dot out dot print, a print statement in Java within the double quote. Whatever the message I had passed, car is started. You just print. Guys, this is the actual task I am performing. Where within inside the. Okay, similarly, within inside the body, I had written the block of the code. What code? I had written one statement. System dot out dot to print a print statement in Java. You print within the double quote. I had passed the message. What message? Car is a moving. Guys, I am performing the task, that is the printing. Car is a moving. Similarly, guys, within inside the body, system dot out dot print a print statement. You just print car is a stop. Guys, this is the task where I am performing. I hope so, guys. You people are getting the point over here. How I had creating the class, how I had handling the properties and the behavior, guys. Guys, this is my entire scenario. What is the entire scenario? Car object. Car has the properties, car does the behavior. Now guys, I have taken this entire scenario. Now guys, after I had put it inside my Java program, how? By creating the guys a class. By specifying the class name called the car, inside the class, guys, if you clearly notice, I had handled the car properties. name, cost, mileage. How? Through specifying the respective particular data type. Similarly, guys, please try to understand. Car has the properties we had handled using the two data type by specifying the particular data type. Similarly, guys, what do you think so? Car has there some behavior. What are behavior? Starting the car, stopping the car, accelerating. Guys, all the behavior had handled through creating the method. What do you mean by creating the method? Specifying the name of the method. Along with guys, opening, closing the floor bracket, which indicate body. If I come inside the body, according to the definition, specifying the block of the code. What code had specified? Statement had specified. What statement? Print statement in Java. You print within the double quote, car is stop. Car is started. Guys, please try to understand. Remaining two behavior, accelerate and the stop, I had handled guys through creating the method. What do you mean by creating the method? Specifying the name of the method. I had specified the name of the method called accelerate. It's the name of the method containing the body. Similarly, guys, again I had created the one more method by specifying the name of the method called stop. What is the stop? It's the name of the method where I am creating the method. Now, guys, I hope so, guys, you people are getting how to take the an object and really if you want to put inside the Java program. Guys, this is a small example I had shown you people. Create the class, specify the class name, inside the class, whatever the properties you are having, handle with the through data type, whatever the behaviors having, create it. Yeah. How to create the method? Specify the name of the method and along with the body. Inside the body, specify the block of the code which you want to execute it by the method which you had been created. I hope so, guys, if people had got how to create the class, what are the properties and the behavior, how to handle it. Now, guys, remember one thing. Creating the class in the Java, we call guys imaginary. Creating the object in Java is called the real. What you are saying? Creating the class in the Java is the imaginary. Creating the object is the real. Right now, just I had created the class by specifying the name of the class called the car. Inside the car, we are having the properties and the behavior where I had handled data types and the creating the methods. Now, guys, this entire structure which you people are seeing, it is called the creating the class in Java is the imaginary. What do you mean by this, guys? Entire code if I give to the Java will be take it. It is called guys the print the structure which are giving to the Java. For example, guys, for example, let me take the example. If you want to construct the one beautiful house, guys, what will we do? We'll directly go for putting a bunyadi na, guys. Before that, one step behind, you are going to be make the plan. You make the structure where the kitchen has to come, where the hall has to come. The planning will be make on the one a print. Guys, similarly, just creating the class in the Java, inside the class, specifying the properties, specifying the behavior, it is the print structure which are giving to the Java. Then, guys, tell me, after guys making the plan for your beautiful to construct the house, then will we go for constructing. After construction, guys, I can say whatever the home you are constructed, it is the real. Similarly, guys, creating the class in the Java, remember, it is the imaginary. Then what are the reals, guys?